Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a really quick outfit of the day for work and show you really quickly what I'm wearing. So I am wearing my navy trench coat that is for the rain. I got this from Burlington several years ago. And then I have this super cute wool scarf. It has navy blue, tan, red, and brown stripes, and it's from Nordstrom originally, but I thrifted it for $2.99. And then the top I also thrifted. It is a V-neck and it is a brown sweater, and I believe I got this from Stockton, and this was around $3. And then I am also wearing my high-waisted wide length striped brown pants that I thrifted a while back, and I think these were $4. And my 9 West caramel colored pointed heels with the kitten heel. And then I also have my Tommy Hilfiger bag with the stripe that matches my scarf. And even though that the caramel is a little bit different, the Tommy Hilfiger one is lighter and the one on my feet is darker, I still think they go together and they look really cute. And I feel very professional and very chic in my outfit. So I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!